morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to all of you. This is Amit, and you are watching Study with Amit, a digital platform. So, today we are here under this class 10th syllabus, ICSE class 10 syllabus, constructor, which is very important topic to discuss in our online classes. So, as I have said that watch our full video to get full knowledge. So, let's start with this. So, we have here rules for this constructor. This constructor follows certain rules. Here there are 4 rules. There is generally 5 rules, but that 5th rule is not important or not executed. So there are only 4 rules to be learned or to be used when we develop our programming skills. So first, name should be same as class name. Here, before we have written functions. In that the class name was something else, and we write public static void and something else name here. This if we say A was not A. If we write Fibo, this was not Fibo or equal. So name should be same as class name. If we write class name A, then public static void, and here it should be A. It should be A. Second point, voids means it does not give any output. It does not have any output. We don't write this. It does not give any output. Third one, first two we have done. Third, not required public static void. Before only I have removed this public static void which was written here, because we do not require this in constructor. So we removed this public static void. And fourth, gets called automatically when we create object of class. After this we have to open one more and we have to create class or object of class. We write something, so that when it is created it automatically gets called. So we do not need something, means we do not have to call it by writing it inside bracket or all. So that only it explains that it gets called automatically when we create object of class. So here we have very important thing. There are 3 types of constructor. First, constructor, default constructor. Then parameterized constructor, and at last we have one copy constructor. So there are 3 types of constructor. Write it down. It is generally asked for 2 marks question, which is very important in ICSE. So please copy it down. Default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. Here we have one question. We have to name class, salary calculation, variable, string name, and double basic pay, and net salary 20,000, 30,000, and we have to find what amount of GST on it would be put. So it will be 6%. GST. So we have to write program for this. So I will write first we'll write class salary calculation. After this we write what we write? We write we will not write public static void main, else we'll use one constructor. There was question here only constructor. So constructor will be salary calculation. And inside this we'll write, before we'll declare string name and double basic pay. String name and double basic pay. So we have declared it here. So after this we write basic pay. So NA is equal to name, BSP is equal to basic pay. This we have written inside a constructor which is same as this. So this is only use of constructor. After this we will perform this task. We will write what we'll do, net salary is we'll take input of net salary afterwards. So we'll check here. Write here only int NTS is equal to 6. NTS will be input, and what we'll do, double GST. So GST is equal to NTS net salary into 6%. This will be GST. So we'll write public static void main function string args. We'll take a scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. We know how we take user input. Here we write import java.utl asterisk. So after this, just we'll write sopln, enter a number, int number means what? BSP is equal to sc.next double. Here it will be not be int here, because BSP here we have declared in double. So here it is entered, and we'll call it here. And we'll close this. So this was the program for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.